In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an address in Hostinger. If you need to update your billing or personal account details, adding your address in Hostinger is a simple process. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do. To begin, make sure you're already signed in to your Hostinger account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. After the menu appears, select Account Info. This will take you to the section where your personal account settings and details are managed. If you've never visited this area before, don't worry. Everything is laid out clearly, and the option we need is easy to find. Once you're inside the Account Info section, look for Personal Information. Under that area, click on Address. This is the section where you can add or update the address connected to your account. Now you'll be able to enter your address details. Carefully fill in the required fields with the correct information. Depending on your region, this may include your street address, city, state or province, postal code, and country. It's a good idea to double-check everything before moving on, especially if this information will be used for billing, invoices, or account verification. Even a small typo in your address can sometimes cause issues later, so take a moment to make sure everything is accurate. When you've entered all the necessary address details, click Continue. That will save your information and move the process forward. And that's it. You've successfully added your address in Hostinger. As a quick tip, if the platform doesn't accept one of your entries right away, check that your postal code format and country selection match your actual location. Also, make sure you're using your current address so your account information stays up to date. This is a small but important account setup step, especially if you want your profile information to be complete and accurate. Keeping these details updated can also make future account management much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.